Hey everyone, this is Ryan from RentalBell. In this video, I'm going to show how to add an Airbnb calendar to your website that's powered by Weebly. And we're going to do this using RentalBell. Over here, you'll see is a website which is powered by Weebly. And I've gone ahead and created an availability page right here. And here's where I want to have my calendar appear. So step one is to go into RentalBell. And it's going to ask to add the rental. And I'm going to put in this field just the title for now. Click Add Rental. The second step is it's going to ask me for a calendar to sync with. In this case, it'll be Airbnb. So what it needs is the Airbnb calendar, which I'm going to go grab right now. So I click Calendar once I'm in Airbnb. I click Availability Settings. Scroll down on this page to Sync Calendars. And I click on the Export Calendar link. Here's the URL that RentalBell is looking for. I'm going to paste it here, click Import Calendar. By the way, these question marks also give step-by-step details in case you get lost. After I import the calendar, I've got to then export the RentalBell calendar to Airbnb. So I copy that link there. I go into RentalBell, I click Import Calendar. I go into Airbnb. I paste the RentalBell calendar, give it a name, click Import Calendar. All right, so what I just did there is I synced them both together so that if there's any bookings from RentalBell or any connected channel, it'll update the Airbnb channel as well, automatically. So I'm going to click Done here. It's asking me if I'd like to add an availability calendar to my website, so I'll click Yes. Now here's the page where you customize the look and feel of the calendar. For this video, I'm just going to keep it simple and do a 4-month across calendar. And then I click Get the Code. Here's the code I need. So I'm going to copy this code. Now I need to go into Weebly. In Weebly, I'm looking at my availability page. What I need is this embed code tool. So I'm going to drag over to where I want the calendar to appear. Then I click this, and I click Edit Custom HTML, and here's where I paste in the RentalBell code. All right, so here you can see I've got this one Airbnb booking that's now showing up on my Weebly site. Here's what it looks like on mobile. The RentalBell calendars are responsive, so if the screen is too small, it will move the calendars vertical, the monthly calendars. After this, just pressing Publish and you're done. As I said before, you can add multiple channels to RentalBell and they'll all sync together. So here's where you add a new channel. You can choose, say, VRBO or something, and basically repeat the process. Specific instructions can be found here for each of the channels you want to add, at least the main channels. And then on the calendar here, you can see here's the Airbnb booking. Below, you'll see analytical detail that give statistics like the share of bookings by channel, the average length of stay by channel, the total booked nights for each month, the occupancy rate, the booking to check-in runway, which is basically how many days in advance a booking typically happens. before the check-in date. So useful information like that. In the calendar tools section, there's a variety of other features you can use to automate tasks, like a rental preparation time, a rental availability window, and a publicly viewable calendar link. This is useful for emails and newsletters, or if you don't even have a website, you can still refer people to an availability calendar. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.